Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can create your Gmail ID in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open any of this and you can just click on profile, click on sign in, and you will see here it is create account. You have to tap on it, click on personal use, and just write here the first name, click on next. Just write the day, month and year, gender, then click on next. And you can just type here the Gmail ID like this, and after that it can suggest a name. You can click on next and then write the password over here friends. Then you have to press on next, click on yes I am in, click on next, and Gmail ID is created successfully. You can see here it is. Just disable this, click on accept, and it is created. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.